How to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the DM icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are in the DM section, what you can do is you can just open the conversation where the Vanish mode is currently enabled. So here, usually you will notice that the dark screen and the disappearing messages, which means the Vanish mode is turned on. So here, if you want to turn off the Vanish mode, what you can do is simply swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen, and after that you can simply release your finger when you see release to turn off Vanish mode. And here, once you're done with that, the Vanish mode will be disabled and the chat will return to normal. And that's it. That's how you can turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.